Many seminar in this
Workshops juga.
in this country. He discussed about a solution from this case. I think Indonesia now have many kementerian, teknologi, riset and technology, and many
Council.
many bidang
Kementerian.
about to have I think it's a solution. Many kementerian. I think he always think about this case. What his Kominfo and other department. I think he always think about this case, and it's hard to say about a solution because it is a culture, and kita harus sadar aware we are a nation, and not and the education from people education under there are I think that, and we must have many time to maybe like a master or the people Indonesia harus banyak yang have a degree master belajar to educate in their country to make I think to make an application to create application we has enough knowledge you cannot